In the previous lesson, we installed everything we needed. Now it's finally time to write our first OpenCV program. By the end of this lesson, you'll load an image from your computer, display it in a window, and understand the basic structure of almost every OpenCV application. Let's get started. First, we import the OpenCV library. Next, we load an image and provide the file name. OpenCV reads the image and stores it in a variable so we can use it later. To actually see the image, we call the IMShow function. The first value is simply the window title, and the second is the image we want to display. If we stopped here, the window would appear and disappear almost instantly. That's why we use wait key. This tells the program to wait until a key is pressed. Finally, we call destroy all WAS to close any OpenCV windows that are still open. And that's it. You just built your very first OpenCV application. Great job! You now know how to load and display an image using Python and OpenCV. In the next lesson, we'll go one step deeper and discover what an image really is inside a computer. You'll see that every picture is actually made of numbers, and understanding that is the key to everything we'll build from now on.